Hello friends, and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. Today we're making Zelda's pumpkin pie. Wonderfully creamy, spicy and sweet, this pumpkin pie is my mom's recipe, now shared for your holiday dessert. Combine your dry ingredients, sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. Stir well so everything is mixed. Add the pumpkin puree and blend. Add the beaten eggs and whisk everything together. Add the milk and combine thoroughly. You want to pull every element of the pie together and mix it completely. Pour into a pastry-lined pie plate. You want to fill this to the rim. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake an additional 45 minutes. The pie will be puffed and will look slightly underdone. This is perfect. Remove the pie from the oven and let it sit for at least half an hour so the pie settles. Cut and serve with fresh whipped cream for your holiday guests.